I received my laptop from my younger brother this morning, and after I turned it on, I realized the whole screen was black and white or monochromatic, and he was freaking out. So I had to calm him down, because it isn't a big deal. As you can see, everything displays in monochromatic, from the desktop window, to start menu to all applications, and even when watching a movie. To fix this, click on the Start icon and go to Settings. Scroll down and select Ease of Access. On the left side, you will see Color Filters. Select that and go to the Use Color Filters. Turn off Color Filters if it's turned on. Once turned on, you have the options to select color filters that best suits you or to see elements on your screen better. You can also use the shortcut keys, Windows plus Control plus C, to turn on or off the color filters. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.